Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily forex forecast video for you guys. Before I start today's video, once again, if you have not joined my free Telegram group where I share my live trades with you in advance, absolutely for free. Like today I shared my pound US dollar trade in advance, which I also took it in my live account, and currently this trade is running. So if you have not joined my free Telegram group, you must join it right now. You will learn lots of new things while trading with me, and it will help you in your trading too. I would also like you to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. Now let's start today's video by analyzing what we have today and what we can trade for tomorrow. As you can see, my secret market scanner has identified around 8 to 9 pairs today, so we'll just analyze each pair. Now before I analyze these pairs, I would like to analyze pound US dollar trade, which I took today in my live account and also shared it with you guys. So as you can see, the pound is trading below this breakout zone, and most likely it's gonna go down because the weekly bar is red and overall trend is down in the pound, and we are also trading around the 1.30 psychological level. So I'm still in the trade. We are slightly negative. I took a short somewhere around those areas, and we are currently at break even. So I'll hold this trade and will update you guys in my Telegram when to get out. So do join my Telegram if you want to know more about this trade. So now let's analyze what we have for tomorrow. We'll find best of the best pairs to trade for tomorrow. So let's start with Euro USD sell first. Euro USD, the previous day bar we had a gap, and currently it's in the downtrend, but I can see it's in the support area, and we also have a gap, and Friday bar was also not good. So let me just check the monthly time frame. Previous monthly bar was also rejected from this huge demand zone, and let me see the weekly. The weekly is the previous week was heavily red, so I'll wait for this trade to give us a clean breakout below this level, and then we can find, if I find anything, I'll update you guys. For now I will not trade this pair because it's trading in the range, and I'll update you guys whenever I find trade in Euro USD for the week. I'll update you guys. So let's ignore this pair for now. Let's analyze USDN. As I told you in my previous videos, that USDN is in highly bullish trend, and this is what exactly it did. It made a new high today, and as today was Monday, so sometimes Monday moves are not reliable. So we had a breakout, but we are at the top of the trend. So what I'll do, I'll wait in the New York time. If I find any pattern, I will definitely trade this pair, but for now it's risky to buy at top of the trend. I'll put this pair in my radar and we'll find what we have in the New York session. I'll update you guys on my Telegram group. The next is New Zealand dollar sell. As you can see, the New Zealand dollar is in the uptrend. All the moving averages are going up, so I will not sell this pair. It is against my trading rules, so I'll ignore this pair. The next is pound yen. Pound yen looks good. It has broken this kind of resistance area, this line, and previous day bar is also heavily blue. So what I'll do, I'll check the shorter time frame if we can find anything. Let me see the 1 hour. Okay, I cannot find anything in the shorter time frames as well, so I'll wait for the New York market open, and if I find anything around those areas like 162.70 area, I will definitely consider a trade in it. So I'll update you guys in my Telegram group. The next one is CHF yen. As I said in my last video, that CHF yen is most likely to break towards the upside, and it did exactly what I said. So currently we are trading at top of the trend, and I really don't like to get in when the market is at its highest level. So I'll ignore this pair for now, but the momentum is really up. So if in the New York time the price can retrace and come to these levels, and if I find any pattern, I will consider a buy in it, but for right now I'll ignore this pair. CAD yen. As I said in my previous video, this pair is trading around resistance area, and it did exactly. It tested the highs and reversed. So the previous day bar is also not good, so I'll ignore this pair. This can reverse, so I'll ignore this pair. The next one is EURCHF sell. The previous day bar is good. Let me see the monthly first. The previous month bar was a rejected bar from the level of this area. The price got a rejection from here, and let me see the weekly now. The previous week bar is good, and the daily bar is also good, but the daily bar is also good. So I'll watch this pair in my radar. If I find any pattern or something like that, I will also consider this trade for tomorrow. So right now we have got USD yen, pound yen, and EURCHF potential pairs to trade for tomorrow. Let me analyze further. New Zealand CHF. Again, the trend is up in New Zealand CHF. All the moving averages are pointing up, so it's against my trading rules to look for sell right now. I will ignore this pair. The last one is the gold, XAUUSD. It's saying buy. Let me check. The previous day bar is kind of a rejection from this resistance area, so I'll ignore this pair. But if in the New York time, if the price can make new highs, I will find pattern or something like that. If I find any pattern or something like that, I will definitely buy gold. So I will also put this pair in my radar, but for now I will not trade until and unless we got a clear breakout above this zone. So we have got USD yen, pound yen, EURCHF, and gold as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow. So you guys should look for some patterns, and you can trade yourself on these 4 pairs. You will have a high winning percentage if you consider those 4 pairs. And if I find anything, and if I will take any trade in my live account, I will definitely share it with you guys. So stay tuned to my Telegram group to find what I will trade for tomorrow's market session, and I will also update you guys regarding my pound US dollar trade. So that's it for this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also post some feedback in the comment section below. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.